welcome back, and this time we have a quick one for you. This is for a throttle cable replacement, and this is on a 2001 Ford Escape 2-liter engine, and it will cover from anything from 2000 to 2005 with an escape of that engine. Now, probably the most important thing, if you want to do this job, this is going to be the part number for it. Now this is not going to be a step-by-step, but it's so simple, I didn't see no point in covering it. But let's cover a little bit of it. Now for this part here, that's going to the throttle linkage on the throttle body, you would take this part, give it a quarter turn, you take this off here, slide it off. There is a 8mm bolt right here for this here bracket that comes with the cable. At the other end of the cable is going through the firewall, and it's just a grommet right here. To get the old one out, just grab hold of it and pull it straight back towards you, and that will release it from the hole that's in the firewall. Now this is going to be a little difficult. I can't even get my hand up in there to show you this, but you can see that rod right there, that's the accelerator pedal linkage. You see that rectangular block, and right up there above that, that's where the linkages tie into. Just a little plastic fitting, just snaps into a hole in that little bracket. No big deal. Pretty easy job. Guys, that'll wrap this video up. Maybe that'll help you out when you have to replace a cable, maybe. And so I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.